Ever wondered how to make a mouth-watering coconut chicken curry? We're about to embark on a culinary adventure, unveiling a recipe that's as simple as it is flavorful, as exciting as it is comforting. Stay tuned as we dive into the world of coconut-infused goodness. To start, gather these ingredients. You'll need boneless, skinless chicken thighs, coconut milk, a large onion, cloves of garlic, grated ginger, curry powder, ground turmeric, coriander, cumin, red chili flakes, vegetable oil, salt, pepper, and fresh cilantro. Now that we have everything ready, it's time to get cooking. Begin by heating a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large pan. Once hot, introduce the finely chopped onions, sautéing them until they blossom into a translucent state. Now it's time for the minced garlic and grated ginger to join the party. Give these two a minute or two, just enough time to release their aromatic symphony. Next, usher in the chicken pieces, ensuring they're browned on all sides. Here comes the exciting part. Sprinkle in the curry powder, ground turmeric, coriander, cumin, and a hint of red chili flakes. Stir everything together, letting the spices coat each chicken piece evenly. Pour in the coconut milk, turning this concoction into a fragrant simmering pool. Season it with salt and pepper to taste. Let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the chicken to cook and the flavors to meld together. Once done, garnish with fresh cilantro and serve over a bed of cooked rice. As you lift each spoonful, you'll see the tender pieces of chicken, bathed in creamy coconut curry, perfectly complemented by the bed of fluffy rice beneath. The aroma of the spices, the vibrancy of the cilantro, and the warmth of the dish will make your dining experience a memorable one. The blend of flavors in this dish is a true testimony to the richness of the culinary world. Each bite promises a burst of flavor, a mix of spice, and a touch of coconut-infused goodness. And there you have it, a simple yet incredibly tasty coconut chicken curry that's sure to satisfy your cravings. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Can't wait for you to try this coconut chicken curry and share your experience. Or perhaps you have other coconut-infused favorites? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more flavorful recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!